1. NetVRK is the world's most accessible VR platform. 2. We are a team of passionate people who believe in the power of virtual reality to change lives. 3. Our mission is to make VR more affordable and accessible for all. 4. NetVRK will be available on PC, Mac, Android, iOS and Oculus Rift headsets. 5. The app has been designed with accessibility at its core. It can be used by people with limited mobility or visual impairment. 6. Download our free beta version now. NetVRK is a VR platform that is making its debut in the world of virtual reality. The company has developed an innovative system that will be accessible to anyone who wants to experience VR without having to purchase expensive equipment. NetVRK provides high-quality, full immersion gaming experiences for gamers of all levels and abilities, from beginners to experts. Virtual reality is a technology that has been around for decades, but it's about to explode. You can experience anything from skydiving to exploring Mars through this new medium, and it's also an amazing way to tell stories. In this article, you'll learn how easy it is to create your own VR experience in minutes. NetVRK is the world's most accessible VR platform, designed to be used by everyone. It doesn't require any expensive equipment or specialized software, just a computer and an internet connection. With NetVRK, you can watch 3D movies in your own private theater with friends from all over the world. The world of VR is constantly expanding with new technology. People are now able to create their own VR experience in minutes, rather than having to go through the expensive and time-consuming process of hiring a professional developer. This article will teach you everything you need to know about how to put together your own virtual reality experience from scratch. Market size: the global augmented and virtual reality market was valued at around $26.7 billion in 2018, and is expected to reach approximately $814.7 billion by 2025, at a CAGR of 63% between 2019 and 2025.